Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and I'm back with a new video. And I'm lit as usual because we are talking sunscreen, we are talking Kbeauty, we are talking all my favorite things. I love product reviews, you guys know this. And I'm so excited because I feel like this brand is like just now being talked about, and I'm kind of like on the entry level, and that's always like a really good place to be. I have the Axis-Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum, and I also have the complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. I'm a bit of a tough cookie when it comes to things I like, especially my skincare, especially my sunscreen, but I've tried these for a while. Honestly, a bit too long. This review is a little bit late, but I'm the kind of person that most of the time when I review things, I've literally finished them, or I am like on my last drop just to show you guys. Let's start with the Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. This retails for $22, and you get 1.69 fluid ounces. So you do get a good amount for a serum, especially because usually most of my serums, I would say they're a fluid ounce, if that. Okay. The claims of this product are to reduce your pigmentation in your skin, your uneven skin tone. It's supposed to smooth and brighten your skin for a glow that you can see and feel, as well as deeply moisturize the skin. And I agree with all of those claims. There's not a claim on there that I would be like, you're doing too much. No, I think it's very accurate, and I'm pretty impressed. So this has glycerin, it has your niacinamide, it has your hyaluronic acid, it also has squalane. Let's just talk about the packaging real quick. It's like a squeezy pump, like a tube with a pump, and I'm obsessed. That is how it comes out. Nice and slick, just like any other serum. It's like a classic serum consistency. Nice and light. It does have a slight scent. It really just smells kind of like the ingredients. No artificial fragrance in here, but it is like, it just smells botanical. That's the best way I can describe it. It's good for dry skin, brightening, and all the ingredients are non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores. So this is probably the thing I have the least amount of experience with out of the two, because I did cut a lot of things out of my skincare routine to clear it up, but I have introduced this back in. It was not anything that was breaking me out or anything like that. And my dark spots are calming down significantly. I really like this. I like the blend. It goes on comfortably with everything that I wear. I've tried a couple different moisturizers with this and I haven't had a problem with it pilling. I also use a lot of oils, so sometimes when I use serums and oils and moisturizer, it can get a little funky, but this just hangs in there, and I'm a pretty big fan. The only thing that I could see that might be a con is it does have rosemary leaf oil, which could be an allergen for some people if you have really sensitive skin types, but luckily a rosemary leaf oil is the very last ingredient. So the likelihood of it really being a bother to you is pretty low unless you already know it's something that just like, it just doesn't work for you. So for that, I'm actually really impressed. It has really nice ingredients, well-formulated product. I do use this only at night. I just think that's when I get the best wear out of it. I'm still testing out. I'm still not like 100%, but with how fast my current acne scars are clearing, I can't put it past it. There's been a significant improvement. There's nothing else I'm using in my routine that is as targeted as this. There's nothing else in my routine that has niacinamide like this. So I do believe this is what is causing that. Next, this is the complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. I think I saw someone reel or TikTok this recently, and I was like, oh my god. Anyways, so this is a physical sunscreen. It has SPF 50 in it, so it is up there. She ain't no joke. But she is reef safe, no pilling, and not sticky. Has niacinamide, zinc, and titanium oxide, as well as mugwort, which is like the big ingredient in this. As far as the ingredients, I have no complaints with them. Of course, with the sunscreen, there are going to be a couple ingredients that are considered comedogenic, and that's kind of just up to your skin. If it's gonna break out with anything, it's going to be a sunscreen. That is like the #1 thing that will break me out. This has not broken me out. I've been using this and I have only seen improvement in my skin, and for that I'm so grateful, because I was so hesitant. I remember when I got this, I was so hesitant. I was like, oh no, my skin just started clearing. I don't want to go back, and it didn't take me back. It only propelled me forward, so I feel good about that. The one thing is, and is that one thing that we're all looking for, especially as darker skinned people, no cast. This does have a cast. Although it claims to be castless, it has a cast. As you can see in my application. Is it the worst? No. Everything I've pretty much tried for this one, aside from my Aveeno, if you haven't checked out that video, it's a pretty old one, but it is a good one. I would put this up with Aveeno. I haven't put any other sunscreen up there at all. At all. Like this is close. I do think it has a nice matte finish. It's definitely made for people who are in a hotter climate or have oily skin, and for that I'm not mad at all. I really like that effect. I think it really helped me over the summer in the hotter months, and really it's like 70 degrees right now, so it's still kind of hot. But I think the key to this is like really being moisturized, really taking your time and making sure that your skin, like I put it on pretty much right after I put on my moisturizer, or I give it a minute or two, but I never put it on completely dry skin. And admittedly in my application, I had already put this on for the morning. So I doubled it up, so don't, if it looks crazy to you, take it down like a little bit of a notch, because that is a double application. And I didn't just apply 2 hours later, I applied probably like 30 minutes later because I want to get this video up. So yeah, so keep that in mind. If you're really moisturized, you're probably not gonna see it. If you're gonna wear makeup, you're definitely not gonna see it. But that is one thing I would love to see from them. Just like, ooh, but I know it's hard. It clearly isn't the easiest thing in the world to make a completely castless sunscreen, or else everyone would be doing it. So I do want to give them props, because this is one of the best out of Kbeauty I have ever used. Personally, because usually, frankly, they disregard darker skinned people completely, and I feel like this was at least a very solid attempt. Love the applicator on it. Look at it, it's so cute. It's so, I don't know what it is about the applicator, but I really like it. No breakouts, I feel protected. It doesn't have a scent to it or anything like that, at least since like September or October. So we're getting close to like 2 to 3 months, so it's pretty good. You're not gonna have to buy this every month, which is always nice, and I really like it. I really like it. If it didn't have a white cast, I would love it, but texture-wise, it's top tier. It's really top tier. And other than that, you guys, that is the end of this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram. Check me out. I'm posting more and more skincare and beauty on there, and I hope you guys are enjoying. And other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye.